So we've created the remaining 2 grading strings, so I'm just going to very quickly open them up in the vertical grading editor. You can see here under auto profile that we've undertaken the same process. The changes are actually identical. It means we're draping on the first and the last IP onto the existing surface, then the remainder are being draped with an additional 75mm. I'm going to close those down. And really it's just a case of now how do we join these together. So to do this we're going to use Model Builder. We're going to go up to the modeling panel, click on Model Builder, click on Create Model, and we're going to simply call this Speed Table, and then click OK. We're going to go to the Include Exclude tab, and then strike the 4 grading strings that we want to add together, and then simply click on Build. Now you may or may not see a great deal of change within the screen simply because the contour value for the surface that's been created might be quite high and therefore you're not going to get that level of detail. What we'll do is we'll click on the Save button and then close the form down by clicking on the top right hand corner. Immediately the toggle display form is shown, so we can just very quickly go in and either change the intervals for the contours, which in this particular case isn't particularly helpful, but maybe the mesh will be, so we're going to click on OK. And there is our speed table. So to incorporate this into Model Viewer, we're going to go up to the Model Viewer button and we're going to zoom into the design area we're looking at. You can actually see on the curve returns that we've created that we have actually transitioned templates to a 75mm high curve face and transitioned just simply using the design data form into those particular templates, and we've done the same on both sides. So all I'm going to do is go toggle display. We can see that we've got my model under the additional surfaces. We're going to check on BM speed table and then click on OK. You can see how the elevations are flush at the top. You can see how the draping has occurred in the back. There is some trimming going on with the surface, and in actual fact if you go and have a look underneath you can see the models do overlap slightly, but because of the way that it's been modelled we don't get any interference within the main model.